Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. Alright, I just bought a new fragrance from Yves Rocher, and I'm gonna do it like usual. I'm gonna do the unboxing and I'm gonna do the review for this fragrance. And this one is Eau Fraiche Chevrefeuille. I cannot pronounce it. Chevrefeuille. I'm dead. And the box is kinda simple but beautiful if you ask me. By the way, last time I tried the Lily of the Valley from this line and I loved it. It's so sheer, but it's simple here, but I still love that white floral fragrance. Oh my god, the bottle is more like actually in real life it's more yellowish color of this fragrance. So the concept I would say is the same. Walking in the garden, it is a simple pleasure. This one gives you a hint of Lily of the Valley, poetry of cherry blossom, the freshness of verbena leaf. Oh, it's just the concept of the line. This one recreated the strong and harmonious freshness of the honeysuckle fragrance. Oh, the spray is kind of strong. And today I'm gonna try on my clothes and on my skin. Oh my god, so green and fresh. To be honest, I never smelled that before, but oh my god. It's delicate, white floral for sure, and also a little bit of sweet. Oh my god, it's so fresh. Oh my god, I didn't expect this line to be this good actually. Okay, so the real test would be the longevity. Right now it's 2:40 and I'll be back for the wet test. Alright guys, now I'm back and I'm sorry I changed my clothes and I put this on right away after I changed the clothes, and I changed the clothes after that video right away. Anyway, so right now it's 10:30. I don't smell the fragrance anymore, but throughout the whole day I noticed that it lasts almost around 6 hours, and for the Eau Fraiche fragrance, that's kinda impressive because it's not that rich for the formulation. I'm kinda new to the honeysuckle. I'm sorry. Anyway, this is such a lovely fragrance. It's white floral, so it reminds me a little bit of that kind of old flower, and it's a little bit oriental, just slightly a little bit. It's kind of old school white floral freshness, but at the same time I still enjoy it. It's crisp. I would say this is one of those fragrances that boost your feeling, and it would give you that fresh and a little bit sweet. I'm so sorry today I cannot talk properly, but it's kind of like that. I feel like this line is so impressive, even though it's linear and it's the same just for the beginning to the end, but it's so affordable. I don't know guys, I love white floral fragrance. The more I try fragrances, I'm more drawn to those fresh citrusy fragrance and white floral. So this one is one of those fragrances. I would like to tell you guys that in case you might not be like me, I'm gonna try all of these line. I'm kind of impressed. So guys, that's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching.